everybody, today we are gonna be playing, actually I don't know yet, but yeah, I have changed my character amazingly, and I think you might love it, so let me show you my character. It looks great, by the way, I'm just saying. Let's play Simon Says. My legs, I've been sitting down on my legs for so long. Skip. Think I know how to play Simon Says. Yep, this is my new Roblox character. My new Roblox character. I am taller than her, cause I am Arthro. Oh, I am Arthro. Wait a minute. How is he taller than me? I am Arthro. I give up. Simon chooses the next task. Oh. Touch the Jolteon. Jolteon. What? Okay. I don't watch Pokemon anymore. Hands up. But I still play the games, okay? They're better than the show, okay? I know, like, little, like, kids who like, look, ooh, you're probably talking about me. The creator of Fashion Famous, who made it? Who made Fashion Famous? This person, I think. Wait, no. Was it him? I don't know. I'm going with the majority of girls. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I went with the majority of girls and I won. Come on. I can't even jump and show you my new animations. My new Arthro animations. I love Arthro. Arthro is the best thing ever. Which one do we touch? Because I know every single one. Touch. My very educated mother. My very educated mother. What? Venus. That was Venus. What's Venus? Can I be Simon? I want to sit in that chair and tell people what to do. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go to you. Let me go see the Simon. I want to be the Simon. I want to be the Simon. I want to be the Simon. Come on, I want to be the Simon. I want to be the Simon. I want to be the Simon. You are noobs. What is wrong with my... I don't know what's wrong with that arm. Probably because that's probably what proportion is. But would you online date this guy? I wouldn't. Are you ready? I'm waiting. I'm the only one here. I'm the only one up here. Come on, I want to be the Simon. No, they're the Simon. What? They don't even... Oh, well, I don't have hair, but they don't even have Arthro on. Guess... My very educated mother. My very educated mother just served. Yes, it's this one. I learned something, and it's my very educated mother just served us noodles. 'Cause, yeah. Look at all those dead people. All those people who died. This game is... Wait a minute. Does no one have hair? That's just 100% on the third level of the pyramid. This one, this level, this level. This one. No. This one. I don't want to be by anyone. I'm the only one that like. Oh wait a minute. Actually, there's only. What? Chloe Kitty, how did you not do that? Do you not know how to? Did you not learn how to count? Jump. Simon says jump. Okay, time's up. I'm gonna say Simon says call yourself an idiot. Ooh, which one do we have to touch? Which one do we have to touch? I know every single planet, cause like in 3rd grade we touched Venus. My very right there. This is Venus, okay? This is Venus. This is Venus. No, what are you doing? It's Uranus. A lot of people still laugh at that name. That's Uranus. This is Venus. My very educated mother just served us noodles. Okay, which one do we have to be on? Which one do we have to be on? Which one do we have to be on? First step. Alright, I'm a knight and I am really good at knowing things. Later I will put on, one day I will put on I will use this whole thing. Yeet. This is easy. Easy. This is easy. What is the task, Simon? I'm sure this guy's name isn't even Simon. Ooh, we gotta step on a certain number. Which number do we step on? On number 5. 5. Yeah, this is 5. If someone got this wrong, I would be like, what the heck? Why are there so many... I hear a lot of, like, not really good things, like, not nice things in the text things. Oh, I want to be the Simon, 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 I want to be the Simon. Wait a minute, but if they left the Simon, then how is Simon choosing the task? Cool girl here, okay. Cool girl here. Are we like, oh wait a minute. Touch the Jolteon. Yeet. I know my Pokemon. I know my Pokemon. Yeah, again. No. Wins is Simon. Who wins is Simon. I spelled Simon right. Oh my gosh. Fashion famous. It's this guy. This guy. I've already done this one before. That's a noob. That's a person. 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 Nevertheless, going on. Copyrighted? I forgot that he can't sing copyrighted music. Never mind, that's not copyrighted. What do you want us to do with this big pit of lava and despair? What do you want us to do? The white pad is going to collapse while I'm on the blue one. Come on, do another one of these. Time's up. That was easy. That was so easy, boys. I want to... Can I be Simon? Can I be Simon? I want to be Simon. I want to be Simon. Can I be Simon? don't know English, probably, or they just learned Spanish. Sí. Sí. Let me. Me neither. I literally just played this game. They look exactly like each other. They look like exactly like each other. End of my misery. Oh, I think I know what has happened to her. She took off her clothes, and then that happened, and then she put on a shirt. Are they dating? Because Dante kind of sounds like a date. Huh. Oh, Alka didn't even... Simon, can you choose? Again. Okay, just one more and then I'm gonna end the video. Well, actually, I'm gonna end the video right now. Well, actually, I'm not gonna end it right now. I'm going to... Yeah, it takes away your hair for some reason. Don't know why it takes away your hair, but it does that. And now I'm gonna make everything 100. Oops. Look at me. I look so good. Okay, so yeah, that's the end of the video. Yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because you won't want to miss my vlogs that I'm going to be doing at the end of the month in Galveston. Galveston. That's how you spell it. That's how you spell it. There we go. Galveston. And Galveston is on an island. Is that? What the? Yeah. Hope you guys like this video, and yeah. Bye.